Hi y'all, it's Michelle from Monkeys Creations. I'm excited to announce a new product from Irish Made Crafts. It is the character board with the center cut out, y'all. So you can do your tulip wreaths on the outside circle, and then you get the inside circle that you can do something with as well. Today I'm going to be doing the tutorial for the tulip wreath, and then the next is going to be something on this small board. So I'm excited to do this. We will go ahead and get started. I will show y'all. What y'all get is the cutout board. You get the additional holes cut out as well. So you can add more tulips to make it look even fuller. So what I've done is I have gone ahead and I have preloaded most of my zip ties. You're going to load these the same way you do on all of the other boards. So you're just going to go down one hole and up the next. And for these, you can go ahead and just close them up just like that. Now we are right here at the top where it's going to be hung. So because we have a set of tulips going right here, I'm going to go ahead and put in my zip tie or my hanging hole so that we don't have to fish through all of those tulips once we get it done. So I am going ahead and I am loading that as well. So I will bring y'all down and we will go ahead and finish up loading. I've got two more I need to load, and then we can go ahead and work on this wreath, okay? Bringing y'all down. There we go. So we've got two more. You're gonna go down one set of hole, up the next, and we're gonna do the same to this one. Now for this tulip wreath, you're going to need at least 12 bunches of tulips. Now I am using the purple and the cream, so I've got 6 bunches of each, okay? And then all we're going to do is I have already gotten started. So we're just going to kind of follow a pattern. If you want, you can use all the same color, or you can use 3 different colors. You're going to need at least 12 bunches total. So it really does not matter what colors. So we will go ahead over here. I started with the purple. So we're going to go ahead and do the white, and then the purple, and then another, or cream, it's cream. And I cut mine long enough where it will fit in the next zip tie as well. That way it's double zip tied. You don't have to do that. You can cut them shorter if you want, and then just put a bead of glue, whichever you prefer. And then we're just gonna go ahead and load these in, following our pattern because we have the 2 colors. So we're gonna go with the purple and then the cream and then another purple on this one, and load them right in. And I'm making sure that they get in the next zip tie as well. Just like that. And those things aren't going anywhere, y'all, because they are actually double zip tied. So we're gonna keep working in the same pattern, alternating every other color. Now these are available already on Etsy under Irish Made Crafts. You can get a pack of 3, which is essentially 6 boards, because you get the outer ring and you get the inner ring already pre-drilled with additional holes. So they are available. The 3-pack is $39. You can also get a 5-pack, which is essentially 10 boards for $59. So it is on Etsy at Irish Made Crafts. Look how beautiful and full this thing is, y'all. And it goes pretty quick. This is a very simple and easy to do project. Now what I did was I cut all of these up and then I pushed all of the leaves and everything up to the top. And then you can just kind of spread them out, put them where they need to go. So essentially when you cut them off, all of these are going to be down here at the bottom. So just push them up. And you can take these off if you don't like these little wispy things or the leaves, and just use the tulips, whichever you prefer. I kind of like the little wispy things. Oh, cut those zip ties off. There we go. And we're just going to keep going, ensuring that the tails get into the next pipe cleaner. Or zip tie, not pipe cleaner, zip tie. If it makes you feel better, you can still run a bead of glue in there if you would like. But there's really no need. That one around to the other side. Sorry about my dogs. Look how beautiful and full this thing is. So you're going to use less supplies than you would on a typical straw form or the styrofoam form. So it's definitely cheaper to do it on these round forms. You're going to use less supplies. See how I'm getting all of those zip ties in there, making sure they are double zip tied in there and not going anywhere. Still following our basic pattern, alternating. almost done, y'all. Look how beautiful this is, and so full. So full. Oops, I'm dropping my tulips, y'all. You can leave this as is once you get it done, or you can add a bow. Just a very simple, pretty, even a little sheer bow would look beautiful on this thing. But you definitely don't want to cover up too many of these tulips. That's for sure. Purple, white, purple. White, purple, white. How quick and easy this is, y'all. One just pop off. Let's see if I can find where it goes. There it is. I found it. You can put a dab of hot glue on those. If you don't, I recommend that you kind of just leave them inside. You definitely don't want the weather to hit these directly because they're too pretty, y'all. And you can do these with any flowers. Any flowers at all would look beautiful in these things. I've done them with the red, white, and blue flowers. You could do them with the mini roses. Get that little stem out of our way. I'm going to kind of just start putting these underneath the other tulips, just kind of feed those stems through there. These two that fell on the floor. So we got white, or purple, white, purple. Just kind of lift them up and stick them right down in there. Very gently. There we go. I got it. All right, last set, y'all. White, purple, white. I'll go right down in this last zip tie. Very gently snug them down in there. Get those last two zip ties clipped. And look at that. Perfect, easy to do tulip wreath. How beautiful and full is that? Is that not gorgeous? And they can be done in any color, any kind of flower, whatever you happen to have. Perfect for Easter, for spring, all those are coming up. Very easy to do, y'all. So that's it. How awesome was that? Okay, well that's it. I hope y'all had a great time. Irish Made Crafts is the one who is selling these. You can find her on Etsy. You can get a pack of 3, which is essentially 6 boards for $39. And then you can get a pack of 5, which is essentially 10 boards for $59. So you get the outer circle, just like this, and you also get the inside circle, so you can make a whole nother wreath, y'all. So you can't beat that. So go check her out, Irish Made Crafts, and we'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.